Hi, this is Mayank Chawla with Team Microhub. As you know, we are a customized PCB and product test fixture manufacturing company and providing great solutions in India as well as in overseas market. This is a PSM model from INGUN. If you want a design, development and integration service of INGUN-based cartridge and wall fixtures, Microhub can be a great solutions provider because we have in-house mechanical, electrical, electronics and software development team for PCB and product test systems. We have in-house machine setups for drilling, tapping, and each and every workmanships required for the INGUN cartridge as well. So let's start today's video in deep and you will get an idea like how we are approaching INGUN based test fixtures and providing the solutions for that as well. We have also our own PSM model, that is a parallel stroke systems, and if you want a micro PSM model we can provide you that as well. So in particular video we have used SAM, that is a side approach mechanisms. We have used pylon blocks as the, and we have used the transfer probes blocks for the INGUN, so that the top side Pogo pins can be taken care when we have that approach as well. So let's deep dive into this fixture. This is an INGUN based model and it's a parallel stroke mechanism, so strokes will be a parallel, and this is a cartridge part. So we'll go inside the cartridge. So you can see here this is a like SAM side approach mechanism. So when top side we are going to press this approach is going to have a linear motions. These are the studs to press this particular SAM, that is side approach mechanisms. These are the pylon blocks we have used, like this kind of pylon blocks we have used, so that like we can have the proper interchangeability as well. This kind of transfer blocks also we have used. So if you have some top side power pins, we can easily have these wiring and transferring of that particular wire harness. So just we have like designed these particular fixtures, designed this particular cartridge as per our customer requirements. We are providing customized solutions with the drilling, like each and every drilling, tapping, inserting of the probes, mounting of the side approach, even wiring of the fixtures can be done from Microhub side. And if you want like customized desktop application which can test automatic all the test cases, we in-house team for that. So we can provide you end-to-end solutions for that. So I just need to install this cartridge here. Now this is a cartridge based system. If you want like different product, if you want to change the cartridge, we can have multiple cartridge and insert that cartridge as per our DUT applications. So in this particular video, the main part is we have used the dual pole Pogo pins. That is a dual poles. Two poles are coming from the Pogo pins. High ampere Pogo pins we have used in this case. Third is a SAM mechanism. So when we are going to press, this Pogo pin will come like in linear motions, and pylon blocks as well as the transfer props, transfer blocks we have used. So there are multiple dynamics which is affecting one critical DUT test points and transferring that wiring, linear motions, lots of integrations are there. So this video is quite like complex fixer manufacturing process which can show Microhub to you. So just we need to insert this cartridge into this. So I'll just insert that so you get an idea. So easy insertion process is that. So I just need to insert the cartridge. I'll just lock this cartridge here. So you can just zoom here so our viewers can see like how a particular workmanship you are doing. So very easy to have like cartridge based systems to install the cartridge. Very precise mounting of these, precise mounting of the Pogo pins, precise mounting of the blocks, so that intersections will come in perfect positions because it is going to use into the production environment. So we can take care like lots of tolerances on top and bottom plates. When this coming like from top side, pressure is coming, this is going to be pressed and linear motion is going to happen. At the time of pressing, these rods will go inside, so it will auto align the particular cartridge. This is also prime goal of the systems. You can see like when I'm going to press this, side approach mechanism is going to run, right? At the same time, all the pins are going to come in connection on particular location, transferring that wiring to the end of that harness. Even in the back side also, there is lots of things, lots of pylon blocks we have used. We'll just operate it. These are 22 or 20 mm of parallel stock and very smooth operation, right? So if you want this kind of design and development of the cartridge, which is developed by Microhub, we can provide you the grad solutions in India, as well as we can export this kind of solutions in your overseas market as well. As we in-house all the mechanics, in-house all the machine setups, Microhub can be one-stop solutions to provide you this kind of services in India as well as in overseas market. If you want, we uh, buy these fixtures from your end, we integrate everything from our end. That can be also one approach, because we can give you a turnkey solution from Microhub side. So if you have any such kind of requirements, which is having a complex needs, and you want a great solutions for testing for your product or PCBA, then Microhub can provide you a great and play a very critical role in your requirements as well. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please let us know if you have such kind of requirements. Thank you very much.